Welcome back to Quizcaster. Are you ready for the Guess the Alphabet Sign Challenge? I'm so excited to play this game with you. First, I will show you all the alphabet letters with their hand signs rapidly, and then I'll ask you to guess. Let's check your memory and see how much of a language pro you are. It's the letter A. It's B. C. It's D. E. F. G. Letter H. It's letter I. J. K. L. M. Here is letter N. O. P. Q. R. It's letter S. T. U. V. W. X. It's letter Y and last one, letter Z. Well done. You did it. Let's begin now. You have only 3 seconds to guess the letter. Ready? Set. Go! Here's the first hand sign. Letter Z. What could it be? C. Now try to guess this letter. L. What could it be? F. Can you guess which letter this is? Letter H. What's your guess for this hand sign? W. Let's see if you can guess this one. O. Take a look at this sign. M. Which letter do you think it is? It's letter I. What could it be? P. What do you think it is? It's the letter A. Here's another hand sign. It's B. Here's a new challenge. It's letter S. Which letter am I showing? It's letter Y. What letter could it be? K. What do you think it is? X. Here's a new challenge. It's D. Now, try to guess this letter. G. Can you guess which letter this is? J. What do you think it is? E. Take a look at this sign. Letter N. Here's a new challenge. T. What do you think it is? U. What letter could it be? Q. Let's see if you can guess this one. V. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing your letters and hand signs, and you'll be a sign language pro in no time. Bye for now.